For the first time in 6 years, the Open Group has released a new version of the TOGAF Standard. The new release is called the TOGAF Standard version 9.2. The TOGAF Standard has been restructured, going from a single large specification to multiple smaller documents. There's now the core framework plus several smaller guides as add-ons. The TOGAF Standard version 9.2 adds an additional focus on newer digital trends and business transformation beyond IT. In this course, I'll prepare you for the TOGAF 9.2 Part 1 exam by taking you through what you need to know to pass. More than 28,000 students have enrolled in the TOGAF 9.1 version of this course, and I am pleased to be one of the first to market with training on this updated standard. In this course, we'll go through each of the requirements of the exam one by one. On screen, you'll see the requirements of the exam, and there are videos on each of them inside this course. You'll learn all about the Architecture Development Method, ADM, which is the heart of the TOGAF Standard. I'll give you a high-level overview of it to start, but then dive deep into each of the phases of this process. You'll learn about the role of the enterprise architect in an organization and how we go about our work to get the business in alignment with its own goals. Over 4,000 students have left a 4 or 5-star review on the first version of this course, and this new course has been completely revised and updated to be even better. You'll get the same great quality you come to expect from me, including high-quality video lessons, quiz questions, downloadable audio files so that you can learn on the go, and lifetime access to the materials. TOGAF skills are among the highest paying skills according to regular salary surveys, and so if you want to improve your team's architecture capability or put yourself in a position for a new job, sign up right now for this groundbreaking new course and put yourself above the pack.